Hi, today I will show you how you can download Autodesk product, any product for free. It can be Autodesk Revit or Autodesk CAD or 3ds Max, etc. It will be free for 1 year, and good news is that after that you can renewal this. So without wasting any further time, let's start. The very first thing, you can open any web browser you have. So I'm using Google Chrome and type www.autodesk.com bar education. I have provided the link in the description. You can check in the description below. So it will take you to the Autodesk website, official website. And here go to products, drop it down, click on view all products. And let us say if you are downloading Revit, click select. And here you will find 3 different subscription and you have to select the student one, click select. A prompt will come, simply click on continue. And from here, you have to click on the submit, but it will not be activated yet. Before that, you have to go and fill some details. So this is number 2, fill the customer details. That is you. You have to give your student's mail ID. So just for example, I am giving a stud mail ID at gmail.com. So whatever the mail ID you have created, you can give that. It's gmail.com. And again, retype the same thing, student mail id at gmail.com. Here you have to provide your own mail id. After that, click on the agree. Once you click on agree, then click continue. And after that, it will ask your first name and last name. So enter your first name here and your last name. And very important thing, the name which you have registered in your college ID, like your ID card, your mark sheet and everything, that registered name should be entered here as first name and last name, or else your license will get cancelled at the time of verification. And under educational role, select students, and again you have to enter your date of birth. So click the calendar button, select your year. Let us say if it is 23 May 15th, and month will be first, after will day will display, and then year of birth. Now again click continue. Now it will ask you to fill the school address. So whichever country you can select. I'm just selecting India here. And address, let us say if this is in Chennai or any city, you can select any of those. And once you have entered the detail, and one more thing, it will also give you some auto suggestion, and if you're not finding anything, you can enter manually. And if you want to add additional address detail, simply click on add address and you can add the detail whatever you want to add, and enter the city like California, Chennai, Mumbai or any other city. You can simply mention that and select your preferred state. Okay, it can be anything. And then whatever your zip code or the postal code, enter that. And further scrolling down, select your institution type. You have to select your college or school or your university name. So I'm selecting my university. And name of institution, it can be any, wherever you are studying, you have to enter that exactly. So I'm just selecting as an example Anna University. So if you start typing, you can see the auto suggestion is on and it will suggest you. So I'm just selecting Chennai, and here you have to enter your university and your educational institution information there, and it will ask you for the website. So for Anna University, I will check the website from online, and from the address bar, you can select Control C copy and you can paste it here, Control V, and it should be like https www dot like this. And what is your graduation date? So again click the calendar. So let us say if you are graduating in the year of 2028, select that, and month is automatically selected as January, but anyhow you can again click the calendar button and change. In my case, I'm just simply selecting July for example, and click this information button checkbox and click continue. Now again it will ask you to confirm your eligibility using your educational institution credential. So click continue. So you have to verify your using your school credentials. So click OK. Now you can see all the details which you have entered, the product, the details is there. And now go to the number 4, and here you have to upload your document, and it will give, the Autodesk is giving you 14 days time. But my suggestion is do it as soon as possible. And below you can find a click here or drag and drop option here. So the best thing is your school ID, any confirmation letter or school transcript. So the best thing is you can give your ID card, your college or school ID card or your mark sheet, where you have your name of your student as it is, as you have mentioned in the registered name, as well as your college name and the date. So once it is in your JPEG or PNG format, which is a image format, or you can also put it in PDF. So simply drag and drop and click continue and then click submit. In my case, it is not workable because I have not uploaded any document. But once you upload the document, click continue and click submit, it will take you to the further step. And now once your document is submitted, you will get an email from Autodesk to your registered mail ID. And after that, once it is verified and if your license is been successfully generated, then you will receive a mail from Autodesk that dear your name, and we have received the request, and once it is successfully completed, and it will ask you to create an account. Click on create account. So once you click on the create account, you have to again enter your first name, last name, the email ID used, and you have to create your own password. Create one password for Autodesk account and click agree, and then click on create account. So once the detail is saved, it will give you a tick mark with done option. Now click on done, and now go to the your Autodesk products and service, and you can simply search here the Revit or Autodesk tool, or you can download any other like Autodesk Fusion, 3ds Max, anything. Now it's completely free for 1 year, no need of any pirated version. And hey, remember to use this for educational purpose. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. And I have and after 1 year you can also renew this license. And how you can do that, I have shared the link in the description. Just go and just click and watch that. Thank you. See you on next video. Bye.